We're in the 77 today, and I got a new shifter knob. Don't really care for this one, so going to install this one I got off of the Jungle Books there, and might need this. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, here we go. I want that hole inwards so then I can use it to hang shit with. Oh, fits on there perfect. Meant to be, look at that. Makes it taller too, that's what I wanted, was a bit of a taller. That's awesome. It fits pretty good once I get these little locking nuts. There's 6 of them. Be easy install. You can see with the lighting there, but it's nice and clean. Looks like traditional samurai sword. Nice golden top, and it's actually like metal. Same with down here. This is all metal, but the paint's a little messy, but still looks pretty cool. I know it's upside down, but I wanted this hole to be on this side so I could hang something there. That hole is traditionally to your sheath for your sword. Would have a piece of rope on it, kind of like the handle, so you could tie it shut when you're in a city or something back in the day, and so that people knew that it was tied up and you couldn't draw it in the city. So it was kind of like a unloaded gun type idea. Make people feel safer when they glanced at your sword. But yeah, perfect height. It's way better. I used to have to like lean over and reach down and grab this. Now I can just grab it comfortably, and then now I can just shift no problem. That's great. I have to lean forward a little bit now. I used to have to just reach right down there. Now I can just whoop, whoop, whoop. Yeah, that's approved. Nice. It shifts so nice too. Kind of locks when you put it into reverse, so you can't jump it out. You gotta push down. Then that's first, second, third, neutral, reverse, park. Very nice. I gotta take this shifter off now. Push this pin out this whole column. It broke on the inside of this, so I'm just gonna take this off and leave it like that, I guess, and take this stupid thing out of the way at least, and probably never ever touch it again. And kind of left that there because I like the way it looks. It's just kind of a hole there. Yeah, I don't know. Blinker still works. I don't know if the lights work, but yeah, that's the install. Easy peasy.